Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to open Task Manager in Windows 11 with shortcut. So every Windows version support Task Manager, and there is a default shortcut. It is Ctrl Shift and Escape. You can press this shortcut at anywhere in your PC, then it will be certainly open the Task Manager. Even your Windows is showing only desktop picture. There is no icon, there is no taskbar, there is no start menu. Then also you can press Ctrl Shift Escape for opening Task Manager. You can see here Ctrl Shift Escape. Shortcut key is Ctrl Shift Escape. So in this way you can easily open Task Manager in your Windows 11. You can see here I'm using Windows 11, and in this way you can easily open Task Manager in Windows 11 with shortcut. What is the shortcut? It is very simple. Ctrl Shift Escape. So whenever your PC is hanging, so that means hanging means if your mouse is working, the mouse pointer is working, and there is nothing in your screen, only mouse pointer and the desktop image, then you will access this. If your mouse pointer it is not working, then there is no other options. You have to press and hold your power button for 7 seconds to um, shut down your computer, otherwise it does not work. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.